Naam, mabibi na mabwana, karibuni tena kwa channel hii ya Love of Theo channel. Ningependa kuwasihi tu wadau wenzangu, marafiki, yeyote mwenye atakutana na hii video, tafadhali to subscribe kwa hii channel yetu, to comment, to like any video that we upload, ladies and gentlemen, ili tuzidi na hii safari vizuri salama. We are on our road to 10,000 subscribers. 10,000 subscribers. Hiyo ni kitu kidogo. Like few minutes share with your friends, share with everyone. Hii video, the link hapo in that waweze kusubscribe, to move together, we move together. Assist me. God will assist you through someone else. I can also assist you where I can. Yes, where I can. Hapo sana where I can. So tafadhali share with your friends, share with someone, waambie wa subscribe to the Love of Theo, in that tuweze kumove kwa pamoja kama mpigo, pamoja kama mpigo. So ladies and gentlemen, in case of any question you want to reach me, tafadhali pick up kwa comment ili tuweze kusaidiana, tuone tutafanya nini, how should we improve this channel, how should we improve everything that we are doing in this channel, so that we go we assist one another. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, stay safe, tungangane na hii economy. Mafuta imepanda, kila kitu imepanda, lakini tungangane, like pesa haingii, but tungangane. Let's not give up. Let's continue. Subscribe. Share with your friend, share with your relatives, share with your sisters, even share with your enemies. Wote wakue hapo to subscribe hiyo kitu, tugonge 10,000 subscribers. 10,000 si mingi sana, tugonge tu 10,000 subscribers, alafu mwendo ingine tugonge ingine 10,000, tufikishe 20, 30 hivyo mpaka all the way to 100,000 subscribers. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. May God bless you, and keep watching the Love of Theo channel. Bye bye.